price mechanism. Okay. There's another name for the price mechanism. It's called the invisible hand of economics. Who came up with this idea? Someone called Adam Smith. Okay, they call him the father of microecons. Okay, so whatever you learn, whatever you have in your syllabus, you want to blame someone, he's the one. Okay, he's the one who came up with all the microecons concepts. Okay, so before I explain to you the invisible hand, I want to ask you a question. Okay, why do we study economics? In other words, what was the basic problem we are trying to address in economics? Very good, scarcity. Okay, the study of economics is relevant because of the problem of scarcity, which means unlimited wants versus limited resources. I ever saw a script the student wrote wrongly, unlimited resources versus limited wants. We wish, okay, but it's limited resources, okay, finite resources. Because of scarcity, we have to decide on resource allocation. Okay, so we have limited resources. Okay, it's like if you are a parent and you have 3 slices of bread and you have a brood of 5 kids. Okay, you have to decide how to feed them. Okay, so you have to allocate resources. In deciding how to allocate resources, we ask ourselves 3 fundamental questions. You will see this when you get your notes also. The 3 fundamental questions relate to what to produce with the resources. Okay, what and how much to produce. So if we have labor, land, capital, enterprise, do we use this to produce food or produce weapons or cars? Okay, we have to decide what to produce and how much. The second thing is how to produce. Do you use more machines or human labor to produce the goods? Okay. The third one, who do you produce it for? For whom to produce? So the 3 questions are here. 1, 2, 3. Okay? Can I? Okay. Now under 1, the desired outcome is we want to produce the right goods in the right quantity. It sounds a bit vague, okay? So we typically say we like to produce the right goods in the right quantity. This is so-called a correct answer, okay? Producing the right goods in the right quantity also means you reach a situation where it's not possible to allocate resources to make someone better off. Sorry, I add one word, reallocate resources. Okay, it's not possible to reallocate resources to make someone better off without making someone else worse off. This is where you start to see econs as a science. Look at the wording. We're actually trying to hit a limiting condition. Have you heard of limiting condition in math? Not yet. Okay. So when I say limiting condition, you're trying to reach the maximum level possible. Alright? It's like if you're trying to steal sweets from a jar, alright? You won't say, I'm happy to take just 2 sweets. You'll probably tell yourself, how many sweets can I take without getting caught, without getting detected? Alright, if you take 5 sweets, you're okay. And you take the 6th one, that's when you get caught. That limiting point is 5 sweets. Okay? So